Hello there. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of rental property investing, a journey that can open doors to new opportunities and financial growth. Imagine owning a house, not to live in, but to rent out to someone else. You become both a provider of homes and a savvy investor, all at once. Each month, your tenants pay you rent, and just like that, you're earning income from your investment. It's a rewarding feeling to see your property working for you. It's a clever way to earn passive income, money that comes in even while you sleep. Your investment keeps working, day and night, helping you build wealth over time. Rental properties are steady and reliable because people always need a place to live. No matter the season, there's always demand for a safe and comfortable home. Of course, being a landlord means taking care of your property and your tenants. A little effort goes a long way in keeping everyone happy and your investment healthy. Think of it as planting a tree, care for it, and over time, it grows and rewards you. The more attention you give, the stronger your investment becomes. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term plan for financial security. Patience and planning are your best friends on this journey. With some planning and effort, you can build a portfolio that supports you for years. Each property adds to your foundation, creating stability and future possibilities. A house is more than bricks and mortar. It's a smart investment and a home for someone else. You're helping families find a place to belong. Ready to explore? Let's get cracking. There's a whole world of opportunity waiting for you in rental property investing. Your adventure in rental property investing starts now. Let's see where this exciting path can take you. So, how do rental properties actually make you money? It might seem a bit mysterious at first, but the process is actually pretty straightforward once you break it down. Let's walk through how the money flows in, step by step. The main way is simple. Your tenant pays you rent each month, just like clockwork. This is the steady, predictable income that forms the backbone of your investment. From that rent, you'll need to cover your expenses. That means paying your mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and setting aside money for repairs or unexpected costs. These are the essentials that keep your property running smoothly. What's left over after all those bills is your profit, your cash flow. This is the money you actually get to keep each month, and it's what makes rental properties so appealing to many investors. Even if it's just a couple £100 a month, don't underestimate it. Over time, those small amounts can really add up, helping you build a solid financial foundation. As you pay down your mortgage, your cash flow grows. Each payment chips away at your loan, meaning more of the rent becomes yours to keep. There's also appreciation. Over the years, your property's value can increase. This means that not only are you earning monthly income, but your investment itself could become more valuable. That means you build wealth just by owning the house, even if you don't sell it right away. The longer you hold on to it, the more potential there is for growth. Plus, every month your tenant pays rent, you own a little more of the property. This is called building equity. Over time, your share of the house grows, while the bank's share shrinks. So, you earn from rent, appreciation, and equity, all at once. These three streams work together to help you grow your wealth in multiple ways. It's a smart, three-pronged way to build wealth, combining steady income, long-term growth, and increasing ownership. That's the magic of rental property income. It's not just about collecting rent, it's about creating a system that works for you over time. Now that you know how the money comes in, let's see how to find the right property to start your journey. Finding the right rental property is a lot like picking the perfect cheese. There are so many options, and each one has its own unique flavor and appeal. Choose wisely, because your decision will shape your investment journey for years to come. Start by searching for neighborhoods with great schools, beautiful parks, and plenty of job opportunities. These are the places where people truly want to live, and where demand for rentals stays strong. A good location can make all the difference in attracting reliable tenants and keeping your property occupied. For your first rental, a simple, sturdy 3-bedroom house is often the smartest choice. These homes appeal to families and working professionals alike, and they're usually easier to rent out and maintain than larger or more complicated properties. Steer clear of properties that need major repairs or have hidden issues. A little cosmetic work, like a fresh coat of paint, is fine and can even add value. But big problems, like a leaky roof or faulty wiring, can quickly drain your wallet and turn your investment into a headache. Use online listings to compare options, or team up with a real estate agent who truly understands investment properties. An experienced agent can help you spot good deals, avoid common pitfalls, and negotiate the best price. Don't rush the process. Visit several houses before making your decision. Take your time to walk through each property, ask questions, and imagine what it would be like for a tenant to live there. Patience pays off in the long run. The most important step is to run the numbers carefully. This means looking beyond the purchase price and considering all the costs involved. Estimate the rent you'll be able to charge, then subtract every expense: mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, repairs, and even times when the house might be vacant. Make sure you're realistic with your numbers. If the rent covers your costs and leaves you with a healthy profit, congratulations, you found a solid investment. If not, don't be discouraged. Keep searching until you find a property that truly works for you. Remember, patience and research are your best friends. Take the time to do your homework, learn about the market, and understand what makes a property a good investment. Once you've found the right property, you'll be ready to move forward with confidence. Now let's talk about buying it. You found the perfect property, now it's time to buy. First, you'll need a down payment, usually about 20% of the price. Save up early, and remember, every bit helps. Next, get a mortgage from a bank. They'll check your income, credit score, and debts. Shop around for the best loan deal, and get pre-approved to strengthen your offer. With your down payment and pre-approval, make an offer on the house. Negotiate the price with the seller until you reach an agreement. Before finalizing, hire a professional inspector to check for hidden problems. If big issues are found, ask the seller to fix them or walk away. This is your last chance to avoid a costly mistake. Once everything checks out, you're ready to become a landlord. Let's see what comes next. Congratulations, you're a landlord. Now your job is to keep the property in good shape and your tenant happy. Set up an easy system for collecting rent. Online payments work well. Keep a separate bank account for your rental business and track all expenses. When repairs are needed, call reliable professionals. Don't try to fix everything yourself. Quick, quality repairs keep tenants happy and protect your investment. If managing the property is too much, consider hiring a property manager. They handle everything for a fee, making your income truly passive. Good management keeps your investment running smoothly. Next, let's find the perfect tenant. A great tenant is key to rental success. Advertise your property with clear photos and a strong description. Screen applicants carefully, check their income, references, and run background checks. Always call previous landlords to learn about their history. Choose tenants who pay on time and care for the property. Use a clear lease agreement that spells out all rules and expectations. A good lease protects both you and your tenant. Careful screening and clear communication lead to happy tenants and fewer problems. Now, let's look at the big picture. What's the end goal of all this? Why go through all this effort? Because rental properties build real, lasting wealth. Over time, your properties pay off their mortgages and your cash flow grows. Appreciation increases your property values, creating even more wealth. You can build a portfolio, a little empire, that supports you and your family. Rental income can give you financial freedom, work less, travel more, or pursue your passions. You can sell properties for big gains or pass them on to your children. It's about creating a legacy and security for the future. Yes, there will be challenges, but the rewards are worth it. Be patient, be smart, and take action. Start your own grand adventure in real estate. You might be surprised at what you can build. Cracking job.